everyone, for today's topic, I will explain to you what is linear regression, how it works, and provide a real-world scenario showing its application in understanding academic performance. So linear regression uses a simple equation to represent the relationship between variables. So the equation is y equals to mx plus by equals mx plus b. So here, yy is the dependent variable or the outcome we want to predict. Xs represents one or more independent variables or factors influencing the outcome. Mm is the slope or rate of change for each independent variable, while bb is the y-intercept showing where the line crosses the y-axis. The goal is to find the line best fits the data by minimizing the distance between actual and predicted values, a process called the least squares method. Linear regression works best when there's a linear relationship between variables, meaning the change in one variable consistently affects the other. So when and how to use linear regression? Linear regression is most useful when, first, the dependent variable is continuous like GPA, house prices, and sales figures. Next is there's linear relationship between variables. For instance, as study hours increase and grades may also improve. Next is the independent variables can be mix of numerical or categorical data as long as we encode them properly. For example, converting yes or no answers to binary values like 1 and 0. To use the linear regression, start with cleaning and organize data, removing any missing or inconsistent values. Next, split the data into training and testing sets. Next is fit the model using a tool like Python scikit-learn or Excel. Next, evaluate the model using metrics like R-squared to use how well it explains the variation in the dependent variable. Finally, use the model for predictions or analysis. So linear regression is widely used in finance since it predicts stock prices or market trends based on historical data. Also in healthcare, since it predicts patient outcomes like recovery time based on treatment factors. Next is in marketing. It helps businesses forecast sales by analyzing advertising spend. Lastly, in education, since it evaluates factors that influence academic performance, which bring us to a real-world example. So let's move forward to real-world scenario. Let's consider a study on students' academic performance that use linear regression to understand how various factors influence GPA. So this study was taken in Archai, Philippines. So, the variables included are. So first is independent variables such as number of study hours per week, sleep duration per night or in hours, participation in extracurricular activities, and year level. Second is the dependent variables such as GPA. So the study revealed that more study hours and consistent sleep patterns positively affected the GPA, but participation in extracurricular activities had a slight negative impact as it reduces the study time. Also, year level played a role, with higher levels showing slightly lower GPAs, likely due to more challenging coursework. This study shows how linear regression helps identify key factors influencing outcomes, offering actionable insights to improve academic performance. So, to sum it up, linear regression is a simple yet powerful tool for modeling relationships and making predictions. By analyzing factors like study hours or sleep duration, we can better understand what drives outcomes like GPA. Whether in education, healthcare, or marketing, linear regressions enables us to make informed, data-driven decisions. So thank you for watching. I hope this gave you a clear understanding of linear regression in its practical application. Bye-bye!